Alright, so this is the PCB now hooked up to a peripheral device. Got an 8255 parallel controller. It's currently running some code. So the Raspberry Pi loads the code into the memory, and then it executes. What I've created is an alternative for running DOS. It's some code written in Python, so you run it with Python 3 there. So it's just a little text editor. Let's open us a file here. So this is the code that's currently running on there. Now the nice part about this is it's a little developing environment. It compiles using NSAM. You can install that on your Raspberry Pi. You'll have to in order for this to work. So the nice part about this is right now, this is the code that's running. Let's just compile and upload it. And we come over here, and our lights are counting down. So now we can change our code. Just increment AL. I'll compile and upload. And now they're counting up. So with this little program here, it'll hold the processor, upload the code, reset the processor. It doesn't talk back and forth. So once it's uploaded, the Raspberry Pi is done talking to the 8088. You can definitely develop it more to have a screen of a sort, like with the code that I wrote in C. If you put code in here that's not valid, let's just compile and upload. You can see on our output here, it gives you the error on line 16 and a message box. Bin file is not compiled, check NSAM output for errors. And it did not upload the code to the processor. Let's change that back to decrease. And it's now counting down again. It would not be hard to plug an LCD screen in this. I'll probably do a future video on that. Real simple code to put a hello world out there on an LCD screen. Keep in mind, you can't just hook an LCD screen directly to the data bus and address bus. I've tried it before. I think that the 8088 writes too fast for it. So if you use the 8255 as a buffer between the LCD and the 8088, it works out pretty well. There's going to be a second version of this PCB, and it's going to have a built-in 8255. So it'll have 24 general purpose IOs, 3 8-bit ports. I'm going to start offering these for sale on my website if you're interested. Thanks for watching.